Hello and welcome to Englicast. Today, I want to share something very important with you: how to speak English. English was a turning point in my life. It helped me make new friends and inspired me to follow big dreams. When I started learning it, I was afraid and nervous. I didn't know many words and my accent was different and strange, but I never gave up. Step by step, I learned like children learn to walk. I fell many times, but I stood up again and again. I know some of you feel the same. Maybe you feel shy or nervous when you speak, or afraid of making mistakes. But remember, mistakes are a normal part of learning. If we don't try, we can't speak. Speaking English is like learning to swim. At first, the water feels deep and you are afraid to jump. But when you start, you begin to feel better. The more you practice, the more comfortable you feel. One of the best ways to learn English is listening. When you listen to the language, your brain gets used to the sounds. You learn how to say the words and get new phrases without knowing it. It's like listening to music. The more you listen, the better you understand. You can improve your speaking by practicing, with friends or alone. Sometimes I talk to myself in English. It may sound strange to you, but it helped me a lot. You can pretend to have a conversation, ask questions, and answer them. The more you speak, the better you get. And don't worry if you don't know many words. You don't need hard words to speak well. Simple words are enough. Just focus on saying what you want, even if it's not perfect. The most important thing is that people understand you. With time, you will learn more. When I was learning, I always thought, what if people laugh at me? But I knew if I don't speak, I won't get better. So I started speaking anyway. And guess what? Most people were kind. They didn't laugh. They helped me. So if you feel nervous, it's okay. That's normal, but don't let it stop you. Take a deep breath, smile, and start speaking. When you do, it gets easier. Reading text out loud helped me a lot. When you read out loud, your brain learns to see and say the words. Think of it like training a muscle in your brain. The more you do it, the stronger it gets. Don't be afraid to ask for help if you don't know how to say something. Everyone needs help sometimes. Asking questions is a great way to learn. I want to tell you one last thing. Believe in yourself. If you think you can't do it, it will be hard. But if you say, I can do it, you will be surprised. English is not hard if you start step by step. Think of it like climbing a mountain. You can't reach the top in one step, but with small steps, you will get there. So I encourage you to start today. Speak English as much as you can. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Don't worry if it's not perfect. Just speak. Learning English is like planting a tree. You water it every day. It grows slowly, but one day you will see it big and strong and feel proud because you didn't give up. Remember, the most important thing is not how fast you learn, but that you don't stop trying. Keep speaking. One day you will say, I did it. I remember the first time I tried to speak English. My heart was beating fast. My hands were sweating, and my voice was shaking. I was afraid of making a mistake, but I spoke anyway. Even though I made mistakes, I felt proud because I tried. As you can see, speaking English is about courage. Every time you speak, you get closer to fluency. It's like a muscle. If you don't use it, it stays weak. But if you keep speaking, you become stronger. When I started learning English, I watched movies and TV shows in English. At first, I didn't understand anything, but I kept watching. I watched how people talked, how they used their hands, their faces, and their voices. I learned that speaking is not only words, it's also feelings. If you want to connect with people, don't be afraid to show your feelings when you speak. Smile when you're happy. Look confused when you are confused. Use your hands to explain. Language is more than words. It's how you show what's in your heart. Sometimes you may feel stuck in your learning. You may say, I've studied for a long time, but I'm not better. This is normal. Learning a language is like climbing a mountain. Sometimes you go fast, and sometimes it's slow. But even when it's slow, remember, you are still moving forward. Don't give up when it's hard. Setting small goals helped me a lot. I didn't try to be perfect in one day. I made small daily goals. One day I learned new words. Next day, I practiced pronunciation. And I started getting better slowly. And don't forget to celebrate your progress. Did you learn a new word? Did you have a good conversation? That's a win. Every small step is a step to your goal. Learning English is a journey. Every step brings you closer to your goal. Also, keeping a diary in English helped me a lot. Every night I wrote about my day in simple English. It helped me practice. And after some time, I saw my writing got better. In the beginning, you don't need to write a lot. Just a few sentences are enough. When you practice speaking, try to think in English. At first, you may translate from your language to English, but with time, you will think directly in English. What also helped me was finding friends who wanted to learn English. We met for coffee and talked only in English. At first, it was embarrassing because we were not good. We made many mistakes, but it was fun. We learned together and laughed at our mistakes. You can do this too. Find a friend or a group and practice together. You may feel nervous talking to native speakers. I know, because I felt that too. But most people are kind and patient. They don't expect you to be perfect. They know you are learning, so don't be afraid to talk to them. If you make a mistake, they might correct you. That's good. Every correction is a chance to learn. There will be days when you feel sad or tired, but remember something important. You are stronger than you think. You took the first step by choosing to learn, and that takes courage. The good thing is, no matter where you are, English connects you to the world. It is a bridge between people. When you speak English well, you can travel, meet new people, and learn about different cultures. It is a key that opens many doors. So when you feel tired, remember why you started. Think about why you are learning. Think about the chances English will give you in the future. Imagine yourself in the future, speaking English with confidence, making new friends, and reaching your dreams. Hold on to that vision. Let it push you forward, and always be kind to yourself. Learning a new language is not easy, but you are doing a great job. If you make a mistake, don't be hard on yourself. Say, I'm learning. I get better every day. Sometimes you will surprise yourself. Maybe you understand a conversation suddenly, or say something without thinking. These are the moments you see your progress, and the more you learn, the more these moments will come. As you work on your English, don't forget to celebrate the small wins. Every step forward is a victory. Keep learning, keep speaking, keep making mistakes, and every time you will move one step closer to your goal. If you liked this video and found it helpful, don't forget to support us with a like and subscribe to the channel. Click the bell so you get every new video. Your comments and feedback mean a lot to us. They help us continue and give you better content. Write your thoughts and ideas in the comments. We read every word. Thank you for being with us and see you in the next video.